2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 12 says, "For this reason I also suffer these things. Nevertheless I am not ashamed, for I know whom I have persuaded, and that he is able to keep what I have committed to him until the day." The verse says that our commitment to Jesus, our commitment to God, what he has done has been done. His work has been already fulfilled on the cross. Now it's our job, our duty to fulfill and to share the gospel to the entire world, to tell people about what we have experienced through Jesus Christ, to tell people about how Christ came to our life, to show people how our lives should be. We should be a role model to the people, to Gentiles, so that they may see Christ in us. The next song is a Malayalam song. എല്ലാ കാലത്തും ക്രിസ്തു മാറുന്നില്ല, കാരണത്താലും എന്നെ കൈവിടില്ല. So this song is a blessed song about how God is with us. He is with us, He carries us, He covers us, protects us. He does everything imaginable to man, but we, in the path of our life, our work, we tend to forget about God. We don't give much importance to Him. Our praises are being lowered, but we have to remember that Christ has come into the world to save us, save each one of us, and it's our duty to fulfill what He loves and to spread the gospel. May the name of the Lord be glorified.
But കോടി യുഗങ്ങളെല്ലാം, കോടി കോടി യുഗങ്ങളെല്ലാം എക്കാലത്തിലും ക്രിസ്തു മാറുന്നില്ല, എക്കാലത്താലും എന്നെ കൈവിടില്ല, എക്കാലത്തിലും ക്രിസ്തു മാറുന്നില്ല, എക്കാലത്താലും എന്നെ കൈവിടില്ല. ആരെ ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നുവെന്ന് ആരെയും വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നുവെന്ന് ആരെയും യദുവനിധിയെ സൂക്ഷിച്ചിടുവാൻ തങ്ങളുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ കഴിവുള്ളതാ, തങ്ങളുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ